welcome back to the channel for today's video. Oh my god. As you guys can read the title, yes, today is the day we finally made Christina drive how a car should drive. Give it the title of being the best front-wheel drive car in the 90s. Or actually, the best front-wheel drive car of all time. Well, one of the best, if not the best front-wheel drive car of all time. You know what I'm trying to say. But by the grace of a sweet little Mexican girl called Boo Boo, we have some rear camber kits, we got some front lower control arms, and we have some outer and inner tie rods, but these are the outers. The inners are somewhere over there in that hoop jazz. I did run to Harbor Freight earlier to pick up this bad boy, and then while I was there, I picked up another mover's blanket and some adapters because I just keep breaking these, so I just bought two sets just in case. These for the impacts, and this for like the impact ratchet, I guess, whatever. This thing is awesome because now we don't have to rip the boot on the lower ball joint. So, yes! And yep, the ruckus is gone to the back of the boot. Yeah, boy! Ruckus fits clean behind the tag, boy. Fits clean. Ooh, I need to wash my car, bro. Cypress green, boys. Yeah. So without further ado, let's jack this car up, get these wheels off, and go to work on the front lower control arms. Alright, wheels are off, and yo, this bad boy right here, this thing's a beast. But what we're going to be replacing today is this unit right here, which is the front lower control arm. And I have to disassemble it from my what's it called? The traction bar. Look at that. I'm already. Jesus, man. Jesus. Scrape the oil pan too, boy. But yeah. So what we have to do is loosen this bed. Oh crap, that's gonna suck, bro. Because oh man, that's gonna suck. So I gotta loosen it from here, here, these two right here, and then here, of course, and then here. And then that's it. We just take it out, replace it, put it on, boom. And while I'm already at it, obviously we're gonna be replacing the outer tie rods. Well, yeah, can't even show you guys. Dang, that's low. Oh, Jesus, right here. The outer tie rods, that's like a 5-10 minute job, really. Finally get to use our 20 bucks, bro. Yeah, let's do this. I watched a couple YouTube videos on how to use it because I don't want to be that guy that think he knows everything, which we know. I don't know anything. Super facts. But I mean, I guess like you guys a cool little quick walk through on how to use this bad boy, you know what I'm saying? So this is how it goes. You stick the pickle side, the fork side in between the lower control arm and the bushing. And then you put this on the bottom, and then when you get your package, you have this bolt right here. This right here screws down. Do not use air tool, okay? I'm not even gonna use the gun, I'm gonna use a ratchet. It's best to use a ratchet because you don't wanna mess up anything. So what you do essentially is just put this in there and go down, and then the more you ratchet this down, the more this expands, causing this to break free, and you still have your in place boot. I ain't a teacher, but you just been schooled. So this is the driver's side lower control arm. Doesn't look too bad at all. Like, don't look bad at all. My problems only come from that side. Like, I hear all the noises and my car veers a lot to the passenger side when I'm driving. So I'm pretty sure this wasn't the culprit, but I'm gonna just keep these and then maybe just put them back on when I get like new bushings in case the new one turns out to be crap. Before we run out of daylight, let's get these control arms in, playboy. Okay, so for the control arm, I just hammered the bottom in because I put oil on it too, so I can like squeeze in there. Yeah, man, I'm trying to make this video short and sweet and not be long because it's pretty simple on how to do this stuff. So that's it. Just basically reverse engineer what you did, and then you should be good. So I will try to do a time lapse on it, but like I don't know what a good angle to set the camera up to do all this crap. I mean, I'll just do what I can, right? Dun 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 dun. Whoa, Scrubs!
Don't show people where I go.
Oh yeah, I know. People gonna find you, bro. Yeah. They like, who is that? I'm not even showing your face. That's Britt, everybody. What's up, Britt?
Just, my hand's not over my my
You pledging allegiance though?
Pledging allegiance to the flag all the way.
To the flag.
To the flag.
We pledge allegiance to the bag over here, you feel me? Super facts!
Percy, explain what you're doing right now.
Okay, so I told Britt there's gonna be a loud bang. I had to do this thing again. So, how I look? Light skin? Like Chris Brown?
Only the legs.
That's good. Bro, it's literally taking me like, I've been doing this for like 2 hours now, bro. And I only did one side. Come on, don't do me like that. I've been doing this for 2 hours, y'all. And I only got one side done. And now my traction bar, I can't get it to go on the end link. So, now I'm not even done with that, so I gotta put the fork on. Well, the axle's back in, so that's cool. But just for, you know, front control arms. And I still have to do my outer tire. I gotta get my car finished tonight before tomorrow at 3.
Yeah, okay. We'll see about that.
That's me! I keep you guys updated once I finish. If I don't, y'all know I'm not. Cause I freaking suck, dude.
You say you should have been done, but
Shut up, bro.
I'm still working on it.
You heard that? I can't get this thing axle up. Alright, hold on. I got it. Oh, see, I got it. See, I ain't. Young man in the flesh, dawg. Ooh, I got it right where I want you. Y'all want to give a huge shout out to Milwaukee being the best. Bro, my life has been going by so smooth these past 8.5 hours of me doing this. Because 2 hours, you know. Bro, it's just nice to have power tools. It's really nice. Now, I just want to say thank you to Milwaukee for not sponsoring this video.
But who got you those Milwaukee tools?
The boo, you know what I'm saying? The boo came through, you know what I'm saying? That's my boo right there, you know what I'm saying? Get y'all a little Mexicana, man. They kind of cool. Or any Latina girl kind of cool, really. You know what I'm saying? Latinas, they cool. They got anger issues and temperament issues.
Hey.
See what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? I'm telling you. I tell you now. I'm telling you, these Spanish chicks, wow. But they cool though. They cool. They got credit. You know, they cook arroz y pollo. Bilingual.
It's amazing. You have over 190,000 subscribers.
I could polish this up, but I ain't gonna do all that. You feel me? That's too much work of polishing up. How much you think these cost, Britt? Car talk with Zosh.
What is that for? And then I'll estimate it.
This is a lower control arm, girl. Me got this back in the island.
Okay, I say 200.
The real ones cost 200, but the ones I got. How much you think these cost? Say it before I get mad.
I don't know.
Alright. This no work like good one, but this gonna work for me. Because I ain't broke. And broke man do what broke people do. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Bro, I don't think you be feeling me, dog. You hear me knocking, let me in. You know what I'm saying?
Shut the hell up. Now.
This is the downfall of having neighbors. It's already nighttime. It's like 7 o'clock, but it's dark or whatever. And the people that live directly next to me are home. And dude, I would think they'd be dope since they're my people, but they're freaking I just don't want to even bother using the tools or anything. But I ran into a lot of issues, dude. I had to cut a square into the subframe because the bolt, that happens. The bolt breaks off in there when you loosen or tighten these more than once, I guess. So that happened. So I had to cut that out, put the bolt on there and tighten it, hold the ratchet, or a wrench there, and then, use the impact on there. Now, the issue I'm having now is the ball joint because, this thing, they send you these with these control arms to make up for it, and I want to use the power tool, the gun, to see if it's actually gonna work and secure up there. But again, when you live in a town home or whatever, a community home, you can't really do too much stuff because you don't want to get freaking hit with violations and shit, and it sucks, dude. It really freaking sucks. The only time I'm able to do any of this stuff is either when they're not home which is usually in the daytime, but like at like 4, maybe 5, I'm crapped out. So yeah, man, freaking sucks, dude. What's supposed to take me like an hour tops, like 30 minutes each side, turned out to be a couple hours. A lot has happened, dude. Like I had a couple boys come over, Britt came over, Jonathan came over, Kobe came over, tried to get my ruckus fixed too. I didn't want to film because like I'm just trying to get this stuff done, and like it's done. But oh, I've got to tell you the other problem. Hold on. I don't know how, but this is stripped. This lower control arm bolt is stripped. I have no idea how it's stripped. It never stripped on me ever. Gotta get a new one of those, so I can't really finish up the car tonight anyway. I'm gonna do the tie rods, but I'm not gonna film it. I'm kind of really pissed off, to be honest. Mom's home, but yeah, I'm way too pissed off to like do anything. And I can't do anything now anyway. I would say F the neighbors, but like I don't want to get kicked out, you know what I'm saying? It just sucks. Can't wait to get my own house, bro. I just can't wait. What's up, y'all? So it's the next day, and I pretty much have everything done with, for the most part. I got the new outer tie rods in. I got the suspension all squared away, aside from one thing. This control arm bolt is really like, fuck! I'm about to do the most reckless thing ever. I'm about to drive the car like that to a friend's house. He's only like 15 minutes away. And if I make it there, then hopefully he will have a bolt. He said he has a couple 17mm bolts. I just gotta drive over there. And since my mom not home, this is my only way I can do it. The Ruckus has no gas, so that blows. Yeah, man, for the most part, it's pretty much squared away. I just gotta put on the traction bar and then put the wheel on and then drive it to his house. So let's do that. Hopefully we're good to go. We got a 15-minute hike. Let's hope we make it. I think we will, though. I mean, it shouldn't vibrate out. Hopefully, I'm just gonna drive, you know, I'm like 40-ish, you know what I'm saying, through the speed limit. Well, if something happens, I'll update you, but if I make it there, then of course I'll update you, but wish me luck. I have 8 minutes left to go. The car drives pretty solid. I do need an alignment really bad, though. Like, I need an alignment ASAP. Car is officially taken care of. My man Todd came clutch, and this man got some bangers of vehiculars. This thing right here is nasty. Yeah, that is going to wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it probably wasn't the best filmed video due to me stressing. I really just hate having neighbors that live directly with me in a way. Like, I hate townhomes. I hate it. So hopefully if sometime this year, if all else fails and I can't get my Evo, then I'm getting a house. I know what you guys are probably saying right now at the screen. Why would you want to get Evo when you can just get a house? Cuz I could always get a house. I can't always get an Evo, you know what I'm saying? But all in all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did enjoy it, you know what you gotta do, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead, you know what I'm saying? Smack that like button for you. That'd be greatly appreciated. I had to bring the old school back. But as always, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching today's video. I will catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.